Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video we're talking about Venmo, and more specifically we're going to talk about how to block someone on Venmo. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with Venmo, it is a popular peer-to-peer payment system. So a lot of folks will use this to split bills at a restaurant. Sometimes you can use it to send family or friends money almost instantly. When you send out a Venmo payment, it goes through almost immediately, and the person who receives the money will receive a notification letting them know they have money in their Venmo. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the app. It's this blue and white one right here. It's called Venmo. If you don't have the app already, be sure to check the video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there, but I'm going to go ahead and open it now. Alright, I went ahead and opened up the app, and this is the home screen. And what we're going to talk about is blocking someone. So first off, why would you want to block someone on Venmo? Well, that's pretty easy to answer. There's a lot of different reasons why you might block someone on Venmo. First off, if someone keeps sending you transaction requests over and over again, possibly to pay for something that you don't agree to, you may consider go ahead and blocking them, and that way they can stop. That way they cannot send you that request any further. Another reason you might want to block someone is if they are watching your Venmo account and looking through your history to see who you're sending money to and possibly what you're sending money for and when it was sent. So there might be some sort of a privacy concern. But how do you block someone? Well, it's pretty easy. When you're in the Venmo app, what you want to do is click the name of the person that you would like to block. For each Venmo transaction, whether it's a world transaction or between you and one of your contacts, the name pops up and you can just easily click on their name. So let me go ahead and click on this person's name here. Alright, I went ahead and clicked on that person's name, and then their profile pops up. So here you can go ahead and pay or request money from this person, whether or not you're friends with them. And also you can see their most recent transactions and any kind of emojis that they put there. Now keep in mind that sometimes they have private transactions that go through and they're not going to show up here. These are the public transactions that that person chose to display to the Venmo community. But how do you block them? Pretty easy. What you want to do is click these three dots on the top right here, and that's going to open up another drop down menu. I'm going to go ahead and click there now. Alright, once you click there, then this menu pops up. It says block or cancel. Block is in red, because once you click that, then it will block that other user. I'm going to go ahead and click that now. Alright, I went ahead and clicked there, and then this pop-up warning happens on the Venmo app. It says, do you want to block this person? If you block this person, you will no longer be able to pay each other, view each other's future payments, view or interact with each other's profiles, mention each other, and that other person will not be notified. And it gives a brief description of how to unblock that person. So if you agree to that and would like to go ahead and block that person, all you do is go ahead and click this red button called block. I'm going to click there now. Alright, now that person is blocked, and as you see, all their transactions have now disappeared. The only thing I see is their name and their profile letters. And it looks like their friends list is in blue, so let me go ahead and click on there. So it looks like you cannot click there, so that is blocked as well. So that is how you block someone on Venmo. If you know an easier way to block another user on Venmo, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up. Hope to see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching.